If you are looking for ways to make money as an affiliate, and especially on the Clickbank network, you need to watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to show you a two-step funnel that you can start to use to promote pretty much any product from Clickbank and start to make money. Plus, I'm going to give you a very special bonus at the end, which is going to help you to make money even faster. So watch this entire video. My name is Peter Gertie and welcome to my channel where I help to simplify everything when it comes to making money online. And this video is no different. So in this video, I'm going to give you a two-step funnel that you can implement right now to start to make serious money on Clickbank. And it really doesn't matter which product you promote from the Clickbank marketplace, this is going to work for all of them. So watch this two-step funnel. So the two-step funnel is very simple. Here's the step one, here's the step two. And what in these steps? So first we have the quiz. So you have to have a quiz landing page. This is where you send all the traffic from all the places that you use, whether it's YouTube, whether it's free traffic, so SEO traffic, whether it's Facebook traffic, you send all the traffic to the quiz. And on the quiz, you have maybe, 4 to maximum 7 questions that are related to the product that you are promoting. And then once people go through the quiz, you send them to the thank you page. This is called the thank you page. And on the thank you page, you basically confirm and say something like, hey, thank you very much for, completing the quiz. We are about to show you the presentation. Here are a couple of rules. We want to make sure that, this is really something you are interested in. And you basically pre-frame them for the offer that you are going to send them to. And then at the very bottom of that thank you page, you say something like agree. There's a button, something like agree, which when they click goes to the offer that you promote on Clickbank, right? And that's pretty much it. The best part is that in both of these cases, you can implement the tracking, whether you are use Google Analytics or you use Facebook Pixel. So you can put Pixel in different places, including the agree button. So you can track people that are clicking the button, which is very powerful. But this is the ultimate funnel when it comes to making money as an affiliate. Because in reality, if you are using something like Facebook, you can't send people directly to the Clickbank offers for the most part. Facebook is not going to approve your ads. And in fact, you will run into the problems of your ad account being shut down and things like that. So you have to use this kind of funnel. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, if you want to get this funnel, you can actually download it for free. There is a URL in the description under this video. So go to freequizlender.com. So look for that URL in the description. And I'm going to give you this funnel completely for free so you can start to implement that and start to make money online. And just 2 more things before I wrap up. So number 1, please make sure to like this video and comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so it can share with you even more powerful information when it comes to how to make money online. And finally, if you want to learn how to build a serious automated digital business without becoming an expert, guru, or influencer, then go to petergertietraining.com or click the link below in the description and sign up for my free workshop where I'm going to show you step by step how you can have a powerful digital business from scratch, within 14 days. So make sure you download the quiz funnel, sign up for the workshop, and I'm going to see you in the next video here on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe as well. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.